Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace lower ball joint Honda Accord full guide. Start by lifting the car securely, removing the wheel and brake components, then unbolt the control arm to access the lower ball joint. Use a proper ball joint press or separator to remove the old joint, install the new one, torque to factory specifications, and reassemble in reverse order while following safety precautions. Gather the right tools and parts before you start to save time and avoid trips. You will need a ball joint, socket set, breaker bar, torque wrench, ball joint press, jack and stands, and safety gear. Inspect the control arm and steering components for wear and replace related parts if needed. I'll walk through selecting correct replacement parts, prepping the workspace, and practical tips to make removal and installation smoother and safer. This is a quick ad break. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers shown here. They stack well and save cleanup time. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab yours. Leave any questions below and I'll answer common problems, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by loosening lug nuts, lifting the car, and supporting it on stands before removing the wheel. Remove the brake caliper and rotor, disconnect any ABS or sensor wiring, and separate the tie rod and sway bar links as needed. Unbolt the control arm and use a press to push out the old ball joint, keeping track of hardware and noting orientation. Clean mounting surfaces and prepare the arm for the new joint installation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.